Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know me, thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Now if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me. And also give that like button some love, give it a bit thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what types of videos you guys want to see next. Now today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a makeup tutorial, and it's going to be on this like kind of neutral eye and this bright pink lips. Yeah, I think it turned out really pretty. It's a little bit more mauve than I expected it to be, but hey, it's alright. It's still neutral in my eyes, so I'm absolutely in love with how it turned out. I wanted to do something really soft on the eyes since the lip was so bold, so I wanted everything to just kind of, you know, just balance out a bit more, and it turned out so perfectly. Alright you guys, so in the video I do want to disclaimer, I did show in the recording clips lashes that I was going to apply, but as you can tell, I'm not wearing any lashes. And the reason being is because when I put the lashes on, my eyes just have been so irritated lately, and it's just like everything that touches them, they go crazy and go out of whack. So it has nothing to do with the lashes. The lashes look absolutely beautiful. They were amazing and they were very inexpensive, and I love the Sonia Kashuk lashes. But my eyes just have been really irritated, and I think, like, you know, that's why I've been kind of here and there wearing lashes, because my eyes have been like super irritated, and my under eyes and all of that, you know, it's just been irritated too. Like, so I think my skin is having, you know, some sensitivity. It's already sensitive, but it's having some sensitivity issues to some of the products some of the skincare products that I've been using. So I've been kind of just trying to watch and see what I've used so that my skin could just definitely get back to normal. So that is the reason why I don't have on any lashes, but I still think the look is still beautiful. It still turned out really pretty. So enough about that rambling. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
this makeup tutorial. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.